going on?
No.
Jesus Christ.
Dude.
Do you not see any? Or are you blind?
Holy shit. Man, yeah, but they get big. Real big. Holy shit. Looks like a pair of titties. Don't make me laugh. Holy shit, it's gonna come up.
Fucking pervert. What are you saying about babies?
Starting to look like an ass now.
I was gonna say an oddly formed pair of boobs. One side's bigger than the other.
Shut up! 6'8"?
That's a new form of motorboating. They're spreading, look at it! Oh, they're spreading.
Partying in a marshmallow.
Get out of there!
I didn't do anything. What are you talking
Jesus
about?
Christ!
It's part of the marshmallows. You got white shorts on.
Shit! Are you getting even bigger?
I mean, they're just staying there.
No, I just overheat. They're getting bigger.
No, they're
Put
separate.
like 4 of them in there. Oh, God.
My house is gonna smell like fucking marshmallows.
I used to do this when I was little and then eat it right after I took it out of the microwave and then let it get hard. It's so good.
How fucking long did you put them in there for, Chad?
What?
Katie?
See?
Who put them in there?
I didn't.
I just turned it.
They're at 2 minutes.
Oh. Done!
Marshmallows!
The inside's toasty.